Hi, my name is Raymond Pepito Belchar. I came from Zamboanga del Sur, and I'm thrilled to teach English class in your institution. I also passed the National Board Examination for Teachers and currently underway for my Master of Arts in Education. I have been teaching English for almost 2 years, guiding students of all ages in their journey to mastering the language. My extensive experience has equipped me with the skills and knowledge to help you achieve your language goals. When I am not teaching, I love to paint nature and other objects. I love to travel and explore new places, culture as well, solving math problems. And I love playing sports. These passions allow me to bring diverse cultural perspectives and fun and engaging activities into our lessons. In my classes, I use interactive activities, meaningful exercises, role plays, and discussions to create an immersive and interactive environment. This ensures that you will not only understand English but also be able to use it confidently in academics and also in real life situations. I am excited to help you achieve your English language goals. Feel free to contact me for more information. Let's start this language learning journey together. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to meeting you in the future. Have a great day.